can't live much closer to the mountains than this.
Here in the guard-gated community of Red Rock Country Club, tucked behind a secondary gate in the estates, this custom two-story home sits on the 16th tee of the private mountain golf course. This is 2939 Red Arrow Drive. Let's head inside.
We'll start with the good stuff. Right here in the family room, we have this beautiful wet bar and climate-controlled wine cellar with space for 500 bottles.
This home is all about the view. Multiple glass sliders open to the backyard. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen, hosting in the dining room, or lounging in the living room.
This is a true retreat with a pool, spa, custom outdoor kitchen, and fire pit, all with a stunning mountain backdrop.
The owner suite practically takes up the entire upper level. Here, you can start your mornings in the sitting room with a beverage center at arm's reach, unwind on the private balcony, and enjoy mountain views from the perfectly positioned jacuzzi tub. 3 additional bedrooms provide plenty of space for family and guests. A large secondary suite on the upper level, a guest room that opens to the courtyard, and a detached casita. And anyone working from home will appreciate the office. The guard-gated community of Red Rock Country Club features 2 challenging Arnold Palmer-designed golf courses, the private mountain course and the public arroyo course. Choose from a variety of membership tiers to suit your lifestyle needs, whether that means dining at the clubhouse, playing tennis or pickleball, using the fitness center and pool, enjoying full golf privileges, or all of the above. Less than a mile away, discover incredible shopping and dining at downtown Summerlin, home of City National Arena, the Las Vegas Ballpark, and a new Whole Foods market. Or take a quick drive to Red Rock Canyon for a scenic hike.
If you can see yourself living here, we'd love to help you make it happen. Contact us to schedule your private tour of 2939 Red Arrow Drive.